We all are bound by a hectic schedule, sometimes early mornings, sometimes late evenings, but at the end of the day, what we look forward to is quality time with our family at home. And what better than the whole family eating together at the dining table, where we share those gigs and laughters too, and not just the food. We all want the best for ourselves. So today, I'll help you pick the perfect dining set which is best suited for you. So the first question is seating capacity, and the answer is number of members in your family. Dining sets are usually available in 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 seater capacity. So if you have a family of 4, you can go for a 4 seater. Though I will recommend you a +2, that is 6 seater, to entertain the guests who might visit you. The next one is the shape of a dining table, which depends on the size of your room. Square dining tables are equal in length on all sides and are best suited for small rooms. Rectangular dining tables are best suited for medium to large rooms, and being long in length on 2 sides, they can accommodate good number of people. Round dining tables come without any edges or corners. They are well suited for small rooms and can also accommodate 6 to 8 people. Oval dining tables have the features of both rectangular and circle dining tables. Basically, they are a rectangle only but with round edges, and they are also known for maximizing the seating capacity. The next one is triangular dining table, which comes with 3 sides, of course. So it is best suited for the corner of a small room and can accommodate 3 to 6 people. Next on your list will be the material of your dining table, which depends upon the style and design preferences. You can go for engineered wood dining tables, which involve use of plywood, particle board or medium density fiber board, which is known as MDF, and these are very affordable and durable as well. Then we have solid wood frame dining tables, which are made of pure wood like teak wood, shisham wood or rubber wood. These are known for their natural beauty and durability. Then we have metal frame dining table, which is completely made of metal. These are strong, durable, easy to move and resistant to moisture. And the last one on our list is the plastic dining tables, which are very affordable and very light in weight. Better the quality of plastic, better durability it offers. Once the material of a table is finalized, we will talk about what the top of a table looks like. So we have a glass top, which is stylish and has a contemporary look. These are clear and reveal the base or the structure of the table. If not clear, they can also have a tinted or frosted finish for unique appearance. Then we have a solid wood tabletop. As the name suggests, they have a wooden appearance at the top of the table. Then we have marble tabletop, which have a very luxurious look. They offer versatility in design and are easy to clean as well. Next we have is veneer tabletop, in which a thin layer of wood is stuck onto a strong base like plywood or MDF. This gives the table a fancy solid wood look but costs less and won't bend easily. Lastly, we have engineered wood tabletop, which is completely made of engineered wood, which is durable, cost effective and resistant to moisture and humidity. After all the hard work, we have finalized the table. So now let's move on to the chairs. And just like tables, chairs do have different designs. Starting off with the side chairs. These are the chairs which have a straight back and 4 legs. The next one are armchairs. They are just like the side chairs, but they have armrest on either sides for some extra added comfort. Then we have bench seating. Benches are a very popular option when it comes to casual and versatile seating arrangement, as they can accommodate multiple people. And lastly, we have upholstered chairs. These chairs have fabric or cushion on the seat, which is optional on the backrest. What it does is it increases the level of your comfort and also adds variety in designs. For the upholstered chairs, we have a few fabric options. Number 1 is microfiber, which is known for its softness, easy maintenance and stain resistance. Then we have fabric upholstery, which uses fabric like cotton or leather to cover the seating surface. And finally, we have leather upholstery, which uses natural or synthetic leather to cover the seating surface. So guys, these were all the steps you need to take into consideration while picking the dining set best suited for you. So you can find your pick on Flipkart, where the products are quality verified, as they have to surpass 30 plus quality tests before they are offered for sale. So you can be rest assured about the quality of products being offered to you. Still, to ensure that the best service is provided to you, the products come with a warranty. So if at all you find any manufacturing defect in the product, you can reach out to the brand within the period of warranty. Happy shopping.